How to invert the X or Y axis. I have a scatter plot graph with a bunch of random X, Y coordinates. Currently the Y-axis starts at 0 and goes up to the max value. I would like the Y-axis to start at the max value and go up to 0.
There is a new API that makes this even simpler. And all.
Displaystasi's answer is correct, but usually a shorter method is just to reverse the single axis in question, where the GCA function returns the current axis instance and the column -1 reverses the list.
You could also use function exposed by the axis object of the scatter plot.
If you're in IPython in PyLab mode, then the show is required to make it update the current figure.